Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful mint condition 2015 Kia Optima SX model. So this one is close to the top tier SXL model. SXL gives you the glass panoramic sunroof and turbocharged engine. This one comes with the naturally aspirated 2.4 gasoline direct injected motor. Beautiful clean and clear headlights as well as fog lights. Very nice exterior. 2 previous owners, no reported accidents. Very nice here under the hood. Absolutely gorgeous. Exterior is a beautiful pearl white tri-stage paint, so it's absolutely stunning in the sun. Comes with newer Yokohama tires all the way around and a full-size spare in the back. Comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exit exhaust. Comes with a full leather interior, white on black, very nice color combination, top tier color combination for this vehicle. And it actually comes with a really nice red stitching owner's manual, leather, beautiful, beautiful dashboard, nice clean, 10 out of 10 car, inside and out. You will find very minimal flaws, so very happy with this one. Push to start, Bluetooth capable, Sirius satellite radio, AM FM stereo, Bluetooth phone and auxiliary music, CD player, leather wrapped interior pieces, leather wrapped steering wheel, shift knob all throughout. Comes with auxiliary USB, iPod connectivity, 2 12-volt chargers. It also has automatic transmission with sport shift and paddle shifters. Comes with dual cup holders, spacious center console armrest storage, factory floor mats. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seat, and it's automatic up down for driver and passenger side. Keyless smart entry, has the turn signals in the side view mirrors. Comes with a nice brushed chrome Kia door sill panels. And then it also has rear AC, fold down armrest, dual cup holders, and split fold 60/40 rear seats. We have a small tear beginning here in the lower back of the seat. Side impact protected airbags, so on the ABC pillars, plenty of airbag protection. Comes with OEM mud guards. As you can see, the dual exit exhaust there, very nice, giving this vehicle a sporty look. And then our pull tabs for the 60/40 split seats. And then here's a tire mobility kit, and then underneath a beautiful full-size spare. So that's very nice because those are expensive alloy wheels. So very good. SX model designation there. Has a clear protective film over top here, so that's why you're seeing a little discoloration. Those usually do that over time. And then they added the chip guard package, which protects the sills from any door chipping, of course. So 10 out of 10 on the exterior, very beautiful. Everything's working on the interior. Comes with the power seat, the lumbar, and the tilt, and then this is the only other blemish. So between that and the rear is the only blemishes on the whole vehicle. You will be very impressed with this car. Smoke and pet free, starts right up, nice animation, nice sweeping gauges, no warning lights on the dash. Comes with 73,000 original 200 miles, automatic headlights, fog light switch. Then we have our multifunction steering wheel that includes Bluetooth, voice command, and radio. Also our eco button is located on the steering wheel, so when you push that you can see the green illumination around the parking. Animated symbol for the transmission. As you can see, I go to reverse, neutral, drive, and they all will light up green with the eco mode, but that's how you can see your gear you're in. And then we have our settings for the infotainment of the vehicle to give you all the specs of what's going on. So very nice, idles smoothly, runs great. Look at that nice rev, and then speaker sounds amazing. Quiet part of the song, but the speakers acoustically are just awesome. And then it comes with an auto dimming rear view mirror, also has dual map lights, mood lighting here for LED, so at night it's a nice hue of a white bluish light, so that looks good. As you can see, all of that is working, sliding, vanity mirrors, and the map lights built into the car. So everything is working as it should. Interior illumination, traction control, and like I said, this vehicle is total turnkey, 10 out of 10. Try to find something wrong with it other than the 2 tears in the seats, but what are you gonna do with 6-year-old car and being used 70,000 miles? This is as near perfect as it can get. Look at this beautiful, beautiful Kia Optima. So come down and see us, please, because this one is the Kia Optima. This is one of the nicer ones that we've had in the whole span of this body style, and I just absolutely love this car. So it is a 2015 Kia Optima SX that you can find exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.